Okay, sir. So the numbers 3, 5. Oh, never mind. 32. So we realize that the first one is 1.0, and then the second one is 0.1. So I realize that they put the numbers behind each other instead of putting the different zeros, so they just put the one behind. Then we see the next number is 0.01. So this next sequence would most likely be 0.001, because we realize that they keep on, once they switch around the one, they add a different zero and put the zero behind the decimal point. So it would be B 0.001.
Yeah, that would be correct. All right. Let's move on to 33. Good job.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Number 33 is a pattern. The pattern starts from 3 to 3 and then continues. So it goes from 3 to 5. So we know that 3 subtract 3 from 5 is 2. So we added 2. And then 5 from 8 is 3. So we add 2 and then add 3. So we're going to add 8. 8 plus 2 equals 10. And then we're going to do 2 and then 10 plus 3 equals 13. So the next number would be 15 because we add 2 to 13.
Yeah, I agree. I think you explained it well. I don't need to add anything. Good job. All right, on to 34. Let's go.
If there are if there are nine items, if there's an item and it is ninth place in order of both ends, that means that would be one, and then there would be eight on both sides, and 8 plus 8 is 16 plus 1 is 17.
Simple as that, right? Because it will be ninth from either side. So that's 17. Very good. This one is very similar. Which letter comes, so Zara will walk us through this one. Which letter comes halfway between G and S in the alphabet? Halfway.
Number 35. Which letter comes halfway between G and S in the alphabet? So I wrote the letters that are between G and S in the alphabet. So that G, sir. Then H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, and S. But it only said between. And if we count the letters between G and S, there are 11 letters between G and S. And 11 is not an even number. So I found out what half of 11 is 5.5. So I chose the closest letter to 5.5, which is M. So M would be the letter that comes halfway between G and S in the alphabet.
Yeah. Is that the median? Is that the median, right? What the D is alphabet. Yeah, I agree. All right. Go ahead and do this one. Which of the following shows 1/3 of the group circled? 1/3. Have fun.
Number 36. Which of the following showed one third of the circle of the group circles? I think it would be I no it would be A because there are three twos in six. Two can go into six three times. So we can circle 2x each time in A. And one third would be 2.
So you say it's A. Tell them where you get 1/3. Because this is 2/6. Where you get 1/3?
So I get 1/3
Mm-hmm. You said 2/6. How did that become 1/3?
because 2 can go into 6 three times.
That's where you get the 3.
Yes, sir.
So what about the 2? Where you get the 2 to the 1? They want to know everything, you know.
Because 1, 2 express circles one time.
Yeah. You have to say everything. Alright, that's correct. It couldn't be these because you have one shaded out of the total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this would be 1/5. This is 2, 1, 2 out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the numerator represent how many are shaded. Denominator represent how many there are. And you have 1, 2, 3. So this is 3. And they have a total of what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. No, 7 is in 7. 3, 7, right? So that would be correct. Alright. Let's move on to 37. 3/4 of a 36 members of a team attended training. 10 of the attendees were females. Which of the following questions can be answered with the information given? A. How many males are in the team? B. How many females are in the team? C. How many male members of the team attended the meeting? Or C. How many female members attended? How many female members of the team did not attend the meeting? Alright. So you guys can have fun with that one as well. And we're at number 37. So 3/4 of the 36 members of a team attended training. 10 of the attendees were females. Which of the following question can be answered? So basically, because they said it's 3/4, we can kind of narrow it down and say 3/4 of 36 would equal to 27, right? So we know that it's 27 attended. And if we know that 10 were females, that means the remainder would be males. I agree with you guys. See. All right. 38. Jenny gets paid every 2 weeks. If she got paid on January 25th, which was the previous pay date? Everybody love get paid, guys. Everybody.
Sarah, you're so Jenny gets paid every 2 weeks. If she got paid on January 25th, which was the previous pay date. It says she got paid on the 25th, and it says she gets paid every 2 weeks. We're going to look back, and it says which was her previous pay date. So we're going to look back at 2 weeks. Look back at 2 weeks, and we'll get 11.
Agree.
And
So
she
when
got
you
her pay on the Thursday.
so when you're getting paid, guys, you don't know if it. You see what Pep nice? When you get paid, you guys will know when you should get paid. All right. If clubs is greater than diamond, diamond is greater than art, and art is greater than, click all that full stop. Which of the following is wrong? Work that out for me, please. Agree, Tori J. Agree, Rachel. Agree, Deandra. Agree, Zaria. Is your name Rachel or Rachel? Sometimes persons call it different, you know. Correct, Kaden. Correct, Leandra. Good job. Well done, Alexis. All right, so it's Rachel. Rachel. Good job, Kaim. 2 more minutes for this one, guys. Which one is wrong? Correct, Brown. Well done. Agree, Ariana. All right, so Zaria, you're the only on up. Let's walk us through this quickly so we can get to the last one. The other's gonna be coming on soon for their class.
Number 39. I don't know that symbol.
Let's call it anything you want. It's actually a clubs.
If tree, if tree is if tree is greater than diamond, heart is diamond is greater than heart, and heart is greater than dot. Which of the following is wrong? It would be C because the dot is smaller than the tree.
Yeah. This is the greatest one, right? Based off what? It just continues. This greater than this, this greater than this, this greater than this. So there's no way this can greater than this, right? Agree. Oh, so go on here, so. Seesaw balance. All right, so as it is here, it is balanced now. So which of the following is also balanced? Let me show you all the options first. We have 4 more minutes to complete this. Agree, Alexis. Agree, Rachel. Rachel. We're at 40, right? Guys, this is 40 with Atim. Agree, Zara. We're at 40. 40. Last one. Let me just show the number here. 40. Still have 3 minutes, guys. Agree, Tori J. Alright, 1 minute, guys. Somebody said they're having internet issue. It's okay. We're all having issues, guys. I'm literally by my cousin to have class. Because, guys, my net is not working. Agree, Ariana. Who's going to walk us through this? You have 1 minute. Put up your hand. Agree, Kaim. Alright, so Rachel will be the, you will walk us out. Welcome to the class, Rachel. Happy to have you. This is an awesome class, you know. Not because of my class, I say, but that's true. Alright, go ahead, Rachel.
Um, 40, it shows us five circles, and the other side has one circle and two squares, which would mean two squares value is four circles, so one square would be two circles. And then for options, option B shows one square, which is equal to two circles, and one circle, which can balance itself, so the answer would be B.
Yeah, because just take off this, just like what Rachel said. It would be 3, right? That's equal. Alright, very good. Welcome to the class. Welcome to the class. Alright. So guys, we're gonna end on that note. It's always seems like when I'm having class with you guys, it feels like 5 minutes, even though it's an hour. Don't know, maybe because everybody had tried, everybody willing. But take care and don't let the storm get you down, guys. All right, everything is gonna work out, and you're gonna do excellent in your exam. All right, so take care until I see you in the next class.
I
Everybody
said,
have different. Yeah, and please,
Bye,
guys, remember
sir.
your timetable. Bye.
okay, sir.
Yeah,
Bye.
bye. You guys are awesome.
Bye,
Welcome,
sir.
Rachel.
Thank you,
Yeah.
sir.
All right. See you guys soon. I'm gonna let in the others know. But dear class, I'm gonna rub off in here.
Bye, sir.
Bye, Leandra. Take care. See you soon, alright?
Sir.
Keep working hard and be careful, guys.
Okay, sir. Bye.
Bye. Yeah, Leandra. Not Leandra, Tori J. Alright. I want to let in the others now, but me have to rub off them here because I don't want them to see the answers. We went a little bit a minute over today, but that's fine. Welcome, everyone. Welcome, guys. Not hearing anyone here.